This jelly granule multi-head weigher packaging machine is designed for jelly, candy, preserved fruit, and other granular products. It integrates a multi-head combination weigher with a VFFS packaging system, fully automatic from weighing to finished pouch. Equipped with 10 to 14 independent weighing hoppers, intelligent combination weighing technology achieves accuracy up to plus or minus 0.115 G, with speeds up to 70 bags, min. For sticky jelly granules, the hopper opening speed can be finely adjusted to prevent jamming and breakage. The VFFS system supports pillow bags, 4-side seal bags, and more. Stainless steel construction meets food-grade standards. PLC touchscreen control with recipe storage for quick changeover.